Hi everyone, here we've got our OPPO A52 and let me show you how to lock apps with your fingerprint. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Now let's scroll down and find fingerprint, face and password and click on fingerprint. Now we have to draw our pattern, and if you've got your fingerprint added, then that's okay. If not, simply click on add a fingerprint. And here we've got options for what we want to use our fingerprint for. And here we've got the unlock option and app lock option. So simply click on the switcher, enter the password, and now it is activated. So we have to go back to the settings and let's choose the privacy. Now let's scroll down and find app lock. Enter the password, and here we've got the full list of apps which are on our device, and we can choose which one we want to block. And let me block, for example, a Chrome. Let's click here to activate that, and let's get back. So let's check if it works. Let's open the Chrome, and as you can see, we have to use our fingerprint to open Chrome. So simply tap your finger to the scanner, and here we are. Here we have access to the Google Chrome. If you want to turn off the block, simply go to the privacy and app lock. If you want to disable only one, then simply tap on the app and click on the switcher to turn it off. If you want to turn off the whole app block, then go to the fingerprint. Let's draw the pattern and click on use fingerprint for and disable app lock. As you can see, now I can freely use the Google Chrome without my fingerprint. So that's all. This is how you set the fingerprint to block the apps. And if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.